Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful fruit display. First, let's plan. Think about your event's theme or color palette to inspire your fruit choices. Also, consider the size and shape of your serving dish. A large platter might need more fruit than a small board. Aim for a diverse selection of fruits, offering different colors, textures, and flavors. A good rule of thumb is to estimate about 1/2 to 1 cup of fruit per person. Now, let's talk about selecting and preparing your fruit. Always choose fresh, ripe fruits that are in season. They offer the best flavor and appearance. Before cutting, make sure to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. For larger fruits like melons or pineapples, cut them into convenient, bite-sized pieces. Using a sharp knife will ensure clean, precise cuts, which significantly enhances the visual appeal of your display. With your fruits prepared, it's time for the fun part, arranging them. Begin by placing your larger anchor fruits, such as melon slices or orange wedges, to create a foundational structure. Then, arrange the remaining fruits, perhaps grouping them by color or type, to build a visually appealing pattern. Don't forget to tuck in smaller items like berries or grapes to fill any empty spaces. A sprig of fresh mint or rosemary can add a lovely aroma and a touch of green garnish. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and prepare for serving. A small bowl of a complimentary dip, like a light yogurt or a drizzle of honey, can be a wonderful addition. Remember to keep your beautiful fruit display chilled until just before your guests arrive to maintain its freshness. Provide small tongs or decorative toothpicks for easy and hygienic serving. As the event progresses, don't hesitate to replenish any depleted fruits to keep your display looking vibrant and inviting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.